Welcome. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to set up the backup on your Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. So if you want to set up physical backup, then you simply have to connect an external USB flash drive to your computer. And after you do that, you have to go to your files folder. Let me actually connect my USB flash drive to this computer. Then let's go to files, and here select all the files that you want to back up from My Files folders, and just transfer them to your external USB flash drive. For some reason my laptop isn't seeing it, so let me use a different port. Okay, so yeah, just copy them from here to your storage device. Now, besides, you can also use a cloud backup option. So just copy the important files from your local files to your Google Drive, and this will also back up your data. So this is basically one way. Now, if you want to back up your Linux data, then you're going to have to go to the settings by opening the control center, clicking the gear icon to open settings. Then you're going to have to scroll down to About Chrome OS menu. And here, if you have the Linux developer environment set up, which I'm going to have to quickly make for myself. Yeah, so if you have it set up, then you simply have to click right here. No, not right here. I accidentally click directly the wrong place. So right here, then select backup and restore, and to back up your files, select backup, select your Linux files, and and back them up by clicking save. And this will begin the backup. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.